is the Kesh Jig, and today I'm going to step you through this wonderful tune that I have been playing since I was very little, and yeah, it is timeless. It comes round and round again, and it's always fun to play. So I am going to slow this right down, and I'm going to teach you two versions as we go through. So I'm going to teach you a beginner version, and where there's opportunities to put in a little bit of ornamentation or variation if you are feeling comfortable and at that level, I'll also give you that option as we go through. So let's get stuck in. Starting on a bottom D. So D, G, A, G, G, A, B, A, B, A, B, high D. Nice bright high D note, and take off that top note to get the full high D. Okay, so we are going to play that phrase one more time, nice and slow. And an alternative version is playing the G roll and A roll. So each of those are followed by a cut. D, G roll, cut, A, B, A roll, cut, B, D. Okay, give it a go. If you feel confident, put in the ornamentation. Second phrase, starting on high E. So E, D, D, high G, D, D. To get that nice high G note, you might want to use your tongue just to tut it out. E, D, D, G, D, D. E, D, B, D, B, A. And then we're back round. Phrase 3 is basically the same as phrase 1, starting on G. Or so the third phrase, starting on G. G, A, G, G, G cut, A, B, A, cut, B, D. And then the fourth phrase, starting on high E. E, D, D, G, D, B, A, G, F, G. Okay, and there we have it. That is the first half of the tune. Let's play it really slow. Great, that's the first half of Kesh Jig, and pause the video, take your time, do each section piece by piece, get really comfortable, and then piece it all together. Okay, straight into the second half, starting on an A note. A, B, D, B, D, E, high G, E, D, B, A. Second phrase, starting on B. B, A, B, D, B, G, A, B, A, cut, G, A. Third phrase, and this recycles from the first phrase of the second half. B, A, B, D, B, D, E, G, E, D, B, high D. That's the only change. We're going up into high D as the last note there. So the ending, we are jumping up to those higher octave notes. We have a high G, a high A, a high B, and hopefully you're nice and familiar and comfortable with those high notes, and we're going to blast straight into them. Nice and punchy, and don't be afraid to blow really strong to get those lovely high notes. feeling comfortable, you might want to do a G roll. G, F, G, F, G, A, B, G, F, G. Okay, and there we have it. We have our full Kesh Jig. I'm going to play it nice and slow for learning because it was rather fast at the start. So once you are feeling comfortable with the full tune and you've learnt each phrase, take your time now and play along with me.